Hello everyone! Today we are going to tackle about standard normal distribution. I'm Fiana Andrea de Guzman from UMS YA-4 and I will be your instructor for today. First, let's define what is standard normal distribution. One of the normal distributions forms is the standard normal distribution. It occurs when the mean of a normal random variable is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. In other terms, the standard normal distribution is a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. The standard normal distribution is also centered at 0, with the standard deviation indicating how much a measurement deviates from the mean. After talking about what is standard normal distribution, let's define what is z-score that is included in standard normal distribution. A z-score is a numerical measurement that describes the relationship between a value and the mean of a set of values. The standard deviations from the mean are used to calculate the z-score. When a z-score is 0, it means the data point score is the same as the mean score. A number that is one standard deviation from the mean has a z-score of 1.0. Z-scores can be either positive or negative, with a positive number indicating that the score is higher than the mean, and a negative value of z-score suggesting that this is lower. After nating malaman ang mga meaning ng z-score and the standard normal distribution that we are talking to, let us now proceed to the examples. Example number 1. Number 1, area from z is equals to 0 to z is equals to 1.53. After knowing the given, which is z to 0, which is means na wala na tayong kailangan problemahin dahil ang z niya ay 0, and we have to focus to the z is equals to 1.3. By the means of the z table, we can identify the shaded part. And now, after identifying the z, we are going to identify the area of the z, which is equals to 1.53 by the means of the z table. Next example is the number 2. Area from z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2.70. Same as the number 1, same process and same steps, since we don't have to worry because the area from z is equals to 0. Kaya ang papansinin lang natin dyan ay yung z is equals to 2.70. So, same steps and same process. By the means of the z table, we can identify the shaded part, which is the 2.70 region area of the bell-shaped curve. Next, after knowing, we are going to find its area just like what we did on the number 1 by the means of z table. Next is number 3. Area from z is equals to 0 to z is equals to negative 1.15. Same process, but as you can see, we have the z is equals to negative 0.50, so it means we are going to shade the bell-shaped curve from the left part since it is negative. Z is equals to negative 1.50, and after shading, we are going to identify the given area by the means again of the z table. Since number 4 is unique, has a unique steps than the 3, 2, 1 givens earlier, we are going to identify its area by the means of z table, and after identifying the average area of the given area to the number 4, we are going to add 0.5 thousand to the area of the given, which is 2.9. 0.5 thousand plus the area of 2.9, which is equal to 0.4981, is equals to 0.9981, and that is your final answer. Before proceeding to the last part of the standard normal distribution, I'm giving you a quick reminder and a strict reminder of please don't ever forget to add 0.5,000 to the given area of a certain given. Just like what we did in the number 4. It is 2.9 and then find the 2.9 area and then simply add the 0.5 of the computed area that we've computed in the Z table. The last example here is completely different from numbers 1 to 4 examples. The area between Z is equals to 1.4 and negative 3.4. By the means of Z table, again, we can identify the shaded part. Since it says that between, so you are going to the edge of the negative 3.4 from the left and the positive 1.4 from the right, and this is your shaded area. You can easily identify by simply knowing where the certain integer is placed. Left for the negative integer, which is negative 3.4, and the positive integer is located on the right of the bell-shaped curve, which is 1.4. So you have your shaded part. Life is like mathematics. If it goes easy, there is something wrong.